Welcome to the short training on the Poly E350 IP phone, designed to help office and medical staff handle everyday communication with ease. Your Poly E350 features a bright colored display, dedicated line keys, and soft keys that change based on what you're doing. We'll walk through the most common daily functions: placing and answering calls, transfers, voicemails, do not disturb, and call parking. To place a call, lift the handset or press the speakerphone button. Then dial the number. To end the call, hang up or press end the call. To answer a call, lift the handset, press the handset or speakerphone button, or tap answer on the screen. To transfer a call, press the transfer key. Dial the extension or the number. For an announced transfer, press transfer, then press consolidative soft key, and dial the extension or the number. Please wait for the person to answer, then let them know who's calling and press transfer to complete. To check voicemail, press the voicemail key and follow the prompts. New messages will also show a notification icon on your display. If you don't want to receive incoming calls, press the D&D soft key. You'll see a red icon or D&D appear on your screen. Press it again to turn Do Not Disturb off and resume normal call handling. After finishing your call or task, your phone will return to the home screen automatically. From here, you can adjust your volume, change ringtones, or access your directory through the on-screen menu. That's it. You're ready to use your Poly E350 confidently for everyday communication. For additional help or advanced setup, contact your local Paul Bunyan Communications account representative.
We're Paul Bunyan Communications, powered by the GigaZone.